Welcome to the latest in our Hide and Reveal section. Today we'll be looking at revealing with a magnifying glass. This trick allows us to take a magnifying glass and place it over an object or a picture to reveal something. For instance, cat, cell wall, or 32 times 3 is 96. The first thing we need to do is find the magnifying glass. If we click on our gallery tab, we can go and search for the magnifying glass. Now I've already searched for this, so it'll be stored in my list. There it is. I click on magnifying glass and it brings up my results on the bottom. There are 3 magnifying glasses. The one we're going to use today, another clip art picture, and a transparent magnifying glass, which we will use in a different video to make our own colored magnifying glass. So we simply drag in the magnifying glass, or if you want, you can double click on it and it'll place the magnifying glass on your page. Now that we have the magnifying glass, we need to go make the activity. And this is done through layering. For example, I have a dog on the screen and I want to label this dog, dog. I'm going to go type the word dog. Because I created the word after I already got the picture, it means that the word is above the picture. And that's what we want for the activity. Because when we bring in our magnifying glass, we want the magnifying glass to go between the picture and the word. Now I brought my magnifying glass on last, so it's going to cover everything. Therefore, I need to bring whatever I want to reveal right to the front of the page. And in this instance, it's the word. So I'm going to right click on the word, go down to order, and I'm going to bring it to the front. Now you'll see what happens when I take my magnifying glass and put it between. The last trick to make the word disappear is I need to change the color of the word so that it matches the color of the picture and disappears. I'm going to right click on the word, go down to properties, and here we find the color palette, which I need to use to make that. Now the best option I would suggest is to use the eyedropper. The eyedropper allows us to select any color and use that. So I'm going to click on the eyedropper, then I'm going to take it to where I want it to go. Now you can see the end of the eyedropper has changed to that color. If I put it over the handle, it'll change to black, but I want it the same color as the dog, so I'm going to click and the word disappears. It's still there, it's just changed to the color that we want. And in order for this trick to work, we just simply take the magnifying glass and place it in between. Right, let's try one more. I'm quickly going to go to my gallery essentials and I'm going to find a cat. Down to my pictures. Let's take this yellow cat for something different. Make it a little bigger, and then I'm going to type the word cat. You could use any word for this picture. Could be full, satisfied. The word would just have to be a lot smaller. Now remember, cat's on top there. Let's see where my magnifying glass goes. In this instance, the magnifying glass was already there. So I actually need the picture to go to the back of the screen. Right click on my picture, change the order, and send to back. Let's try the magnifying glass now. There we go. The last step is to change the word into the color. So right click on my word, to the properties, choose the eyedropper, go to the yellow part around the belly and change it. And then the children can come up and they can move the magnifying glass. The last suggestion I would make for this activity is to lock down the word in the object. In that way the kids don't come up to the board and bump the picture and reveal the word accidentally. So what we do there is select both by dragging over both of them. You can see I've got 2. To my drop down menu, lock in place. Now I can't move it and the trick still works. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by the TTA.